Thank you, Misbah. Thank you, Imran. Thank you, Vikas. Thank you, Ayush. Thank you, Sunny. Thank you, Mantasha. Thank you, Aryan, Zubair. Thank you, Uzra.
Didi, advance happy Makar Sankranti.
Same to you. Give me a moment, huh? I'm checking one thing. 316. 316. Yeah. All right. Thank you, Zubair, Afri, Nuzra, Mantasha, Sunny, Vikas, Ayush. Waiting for Aryan, Ibrahim, Harsh, Preeti, and Rehan. I know has internet problem, but I really want to see your faces. Thank you, Aryan, for switching on your camera. Thank you, Zubair. Thank you, Rehan, for giving me a thumbs up. I'm really waiting for Ibrahim, Harsh, and Preeti to switch on your cameras. You have not told me that you have internet problem or anything. So I am hoping that you'll switch on your camera now. If you have any problem, will you please either chat it to me or unmute yourself and share it with me right now? Harsh, may you please switch on your camera? Hi, Harsh, can you hear me? Preeti, Harsh, Ibrahim, can you hear me? Okay. I will open in 2 minutes, Harsh says. Preeti, what about you? She has internet problem. She's privately chatted to me. All right. Thank you for informing me. I had sent a worksheet to you yesterday. We're going to, I received your responses, but I wanted to discuss that with you even more. So we're going to do that. But before we start today's lesson, yes, I want to share what are we going to discuss today. Okay, today's big question is boys are strong, they should not cry. Okay, agree or disagree? We're going to share our opinions, what we feel, whether it's okay for boys to cry even if they're strong, or are all boys strong? They should not cry. Rehan, Baba, anything you want to share? I see you annotate on the screen. I think it's by mistake. Harsh has already raised his hand. We are going to discuss this at the end of today's class. But please, I see a lot of hands raised already. Okay, good job. But we're going to discuss it towards the end of the class. Okay. Before we start today's lesson, quickly, I want to share 2 words for today. First word is accident. Second word is gentle. Both the words we know, but I want you to make sentences. Accident means when something bad happens because of which someone or something gets damaged or something gets harmed. That's accident. And gentle means very kind, very polite. So quickly take the next 1 minute to make your own sentences using the 2 words accident and gentle. After you're done after you're done making your sentences, either write the sentences on chat or raise a silent hand. I will give you a chance to share your sentences. Quickly, we're not wasting any time. Make sentences using the 2 words accident and gentle. I want 2 sentences from each and every one present here. I'm randomly going to cold call. So please make sure everyone is writing these sentences. I see some of you have already started writing. When you're done, show me a thumbs up or raise a silent hand or write your answer in the chat. The chat is open to everyone. Yes. Quickly. We should not take more time. Sunny,
the first word meaning?
Accident. Accident meaning when something bad happens because of which someone or something gets harmed or damaged. The word is accident.
Accident.
Yes.
And gentle.
Yes. Anyone? Sorry, Mantasha, I muted you. Can you unmute and share again? Yes.
We have to write this in our notebook.
Yes, either in your notebook or in the chat. Preeti is already ready. She's raising a silent hand. Wonderful, Preeti. Harsh is also ready. I'll give you all 30 more seconds and then I'll ask. I've not received. Preeti and Harsh, may you share your answers in the chat as well?
Can I speak?
Okay, go ahead.
One boy get accident, but now also he is doing his work. A boy is gentle and he is helping one grandma.
Okay. Let's I love your sentences. Let's frame it a little better. A boy was in an accident and still he is doing his work. Okay, that your sentence, Preeti? Is that your first sentence?
Yes.
And a boy is gentle. He was helping his grandma. So we know he's gentle because he was kind enough to help his grandma. Is that your sentence, Preeti?
Yes.
Okay. I want you to look at the sentence you created in made in your
Teacher, can I
notebook.
say?
And Harsh, please raise a silent hand. Thank you. Preeti, check the sentence that you wrote in your notebook and the one that I wrote in on the screen and see the difference if there's any. Okay. Yes, Harsh, go ahead. Harsh, you can share.
My father's bike got damaged by an accident.
My father's bike.
And for gentle,
Go ahead.
my family members are gentle.
Because give reason.
Because if anyone falls, everyone help them.
Beautiful. First one was my father's bike got damaged because of an accident. Second one, my family members are gentle because if anyone falls down, all of them help. I have got a lot of answers on chat. Car and bike accident sentence, Aryan. My neighbor's name is Pinky and her leg got damaged in a car accident. Oh my God, is this a true story, Misbah? Is this a real story, Misbah? Misbah, unmute yourself, Baba. Did it really happen or did you just make the sentence?
No, Didi, this is real.
Oh my God. Okay. Aryan, gentle boy helps everyone. My school teacher is gentle. And she's very proud. What is the meaning of? Can you share your second sentence again, Misbah? Sentence with the word gentle.
My school teacher is talking polite.
Oh, polite. Okay. The spelling of polite is, I'm writing on the chat. Okay. Polite, Polite. Okay. Correct that spelling. My school teacher speaks politely, hence she's gentle. Okay. Last one to Afrin. Sorry, Ayush, I see. Okay, Ayush, I'll ask you to. Yes, Afrin, go ahead.
Didi, my first sentence is accident is very bad thing. Please be careful with accident.
Okay.
And my second question is, I think I am gentle because I helped that poor man yesterday.
I agree. You're very gentle, Afrin, but the word is gentle, not gentle. Okay. Beautiful sentences. Ayush, go ahead.
Didi, in lockdown, many accidents.
In lockdown, there were many accidents. Okay. Then, second sentence.
My family are gentle because they help to each other.
They help each other, not they help to each other. They help each other. Okay. Beautiful sentences, everyone. Thank you for doing this. Now, without wasting any time, I need 2 reading monitors today. Silent hands for reading monitors. 2 reading monitors. Anybody who wants to read? I see many hands raised. Let's give a chance to Preeti. She has not read for a long time. Okay. Preeti and Ayush are reading monitors. I want only one question monitor. Yes, Ayush.
I want to become question monitor.
Cool. Ayush is the question monitor. I need one more reading monitor. Vikas, reading monitor? Okay. Preeti and Vikas are reading monitors and Ayush is the question monitor. All right. I see so many videos of Aryan. What happened? Can you please switch on your video? And Harsh, your 2 minutes are over. Long due. Long. Okay. Thank you. Aryan, I'm waiting for you. Okay. I hope you will switch on your video at some point of time. 1 minute. Mustaqim is a little late to class. Let's talk to him. Mustaqim, can you please switch on your video, Baba? And unmute yourself. Quickly, quickly. Mustaqim, you change your name later on. First, unmute yourself. I want to speak to you.
Yes.
You're 10 minutes late to the class, Baba. The class started at 12 o'clock. What happened? Where were you?
Yes. Home.
Why didn't you start the call? Why didn't you start your Zoom call? The class started 10 minutes ago. You missed the opening. Please join the class on time, okay?
Okay.
Speak to you after the class. Chalo, without wasting any time, we will start. This is the worksheet that I sent yesterday, and I want to discuss with you all today. Our first reading monitor is Preeti, right? Yeah, Preeti. So how are we
Yes.
reading, friends? We are going to read one sentence. We are going to stop at full stop, comma, or question mark and think of the meaning in Hindi and then move ahead. All right. I guess I've received something on chat. 1 minute. Hi, Mustaqim. I'm Imran. Imran and Mustaqim, we will talk to each other after the class. I'll give you time. Okay. I know Imran is meeting Mustaqim after a long time. We will have time. Okay. So full stop, comma, question mark. We are stopping. We're thinking of the meaning in Hindi. If we don't know a word, we are going to read before, we are going to read after, make a guess, and then move ahead. We have done this multiple times. Let's go ahead. Preeti, start us off.
Hey, are you crying? A boy crying. इसका मतलब हुआ ए तुम रो रहे हो, एक लड़का रो रहा है.
Right?
You are a boy. What? You are a boy. What are you wearing? तुम लड़के हो, तुमने ये क्या पहना है?
What is this boy wearing, Preeti?
Frog.
Do we generally see boys wearing frocks?
Yes.
Okay. Have you ever seen a boy wearing a frock in your locality or ever in your life?
Yes.
Okay. Anybody who says different, who thinks that boys don't wear frocks? I've never seen a boy wear a frock. Silent hands. I'm going to cold call. Uzra, unmute yourself. Uzra, have you ever
Yes,
seen a
Didi.
boy wearing a frock?
No, Didi.
Okay, so that's why people are asking, okay, why are you wearing a frock? Who wears a frock, Uzra?
Didi, girls wear a frock.
Okay, but Preeti has a different opinion. She says that boys do wear a frock and she's okay with it. Fine, we will see.
I have seen my brother.
Okay, all right. We will have a discussion on that. Go ahead, Preeti, read the next one.
Are you playing with doll? तुम doll के संग खेल रहे हो? What? Why do you have long hair? तुम्हारे पास में बड़े बाल क्यों है?
Right. Okay, let's stop here and discuss a few things. First thing that we noticed here was boy crying, wearing a frock. Then we saw playing with doll, and then we saw long hair. Okay. In general, कौन अगर रोता है or wears a frock or plays with doll, long hair, it's fine. Girls or boys, who does all of these things? Silent hands. Ayush?
Yes, Didi.
Who generally does all these things? Wears a frock, plays with doll, has long hair, girls or boys generally? Who does it?
Didi,
Okay, Ayush says all can do it. Anybody? Mustaqim, share. Mustaqim, you're on mute, Baba. Okay, Mustaqim is giving a thumbs down. He doesn't want to share now. Afreen, go ahead.
Didi, I think boys can cry. They can play with doll. They can have long hair, but I didn't think they can wear a frock.
Why?
Because I think that's for only girls.
And who decided that?
They decide herself.
Who tells us that? Is it a rule that only girls can wear a frock? Okay, Misbah is raising her hand since Misbah, you feeling okay, Baba? What happened? Are you okay? All okay? Okay. Yes, Afreen. How do we know that only girls can wear a frock and boys can't? Is it wrong?
They can also wear, but I think only small boy can wear.
Why? What happened what happened if somebody in our class who's a boy wears a frock at home? Not in
So that everyone was make fun.
But what if that boy likes wearing the frock? He loves it. He's a boy, but he likes wearing frock.
It's okay then when they like, because that's their choice and their wish.
Beautiful answer. Anybody who wants to add anything? Anybody who wants to add anything? Disagree, agree, different opinion, same thought, same answer, different answer. I want one more person.
I
to
am
share.
agree with it. That
Okay.
boy can wear frocks.
Okay, Preeti, thank you for sharing. Alicia, go ahead. I see you want to share. Okay, anybody who disagrees? Oh, Misbah is showing the plus sign. Yes, Misbah.
It is their own choice.
Okay, their own choice. If they like it, they can very well wear it. Okay, Vikas has written on the chat, Didi, both can wear frocks. And more answers. I don't see anywhere. Okay, Mantasha says that I have never seen a boy who wears a frock. Mantasha, can you quickly unmute yourself?
Yes, Didi, I don't see anyone that who is a boy is wearing a frock.
Okay, but suppose you see a boy who really likes wearing a frock and he's wearing it. Will you make fun of him, or is it okay for people to make fun of him?
No, I don't tell anyone. I don't tell anything if he's wearing a frock. If someone make fun of it, so I will tell that his own choice. If he want to wear, so what we will do?
Beautiful. Okay. I see your hand raised, Harsh. We will pause here because we want to go ahead and read. I will definitely give you a chance to share your thoughts in the next chance. Okay. Thank you, Preeti, for reading. Ayush, go ahead and read the next box.
Didi, I am a question.
Not, oh, sorry. Vikas. Sorry, my mistake. Vikas, go ahead and read.
Who says all boys should be the same? Means दीदी कौन बोलता है बॉयज को सेम होना चाहिए? They are not photocopies of another. Means they have not to have photocopies like same.
Correct. They're not like Xerox. They're not like photocopy ek dusre ke. Vikas and Ayush are two different boys, right? Vikas and Mustaqim are two different boys. Mustaqim and Imran are different. Ibrahim and Rehan are different. Everyone is different. So they're not photocopies. Read the last one.
They are invisible.
Okay, break the sentence.
वो सब
Read the word properly.
Individual.
Correct. Individuals. Meaning?
Individuals. They means they are different.
They are different.
वो
They're
सब
all
अलग है.
people. Everyone is an individual here. हम सब एक अपने इंसान हैं. We're all a single person with particular choices, particular opinions, own values. Everyone is different. So we're all individuals. Right?
Yes.
Quickly, some of you have done these questions, some of you haven't. I still want you all to do these questions right now. Ayush, go ahead and read the first question and tell us only the meaning of the question. Okay?
Do people make fun of boys who wear dress or play with dolls? Why?
Meaning?
Meaning people कौन कर सकते हैं बॉयज का जो मीनिंग ड्रेस पहनता है और जो डॉल के साथ खेलता है?
कर सकते नहीं क्या? पीपल मजाक उड़ाते हैं ऐसे boys का who play with dolls and wear dresses. Don't write if you will make fun or not. Just think क्या in general, क्या दुनिया में लोग मजाक उड़ाते हैं. Do in general, do other people make fun of boys wearing frocks or who play with dolls? Okay, Harsh has written his answer in the chat already. Harsh, I want you, I will share your answer to everyone because I think it's a beautiful answer. Everyone write your answer. Make sure, who is this amazing person? Imran Baba, we cannot annotate on the screen. What happened? Imran, don't do that. That's not allowed. Write the answer in your notebook, everyone. Do people make fun of boys who wear dresses or play with dolls? Imran, quickly write, okay? I'm going to ask two people to share their answer. The two people are Zubair, Sunny. Zubair and Sunny, okay? Everyone else, you can share your answer in the chat. No, Harsh, it's okay. You don't have to repeat. All right. Sunny? Yes, Imran.
All question लिखने हैं.
No, only first one.
Didi, but I have to choose, no?
Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Ayush, you choose two people, okay?
Dad,
Okay.
you choose who?
I chose Zubair and Sunny. If you want, we choose different people also.
Okay.
Harsh is raising his hand. If you want to ask him, or you can ask anyone, okay? Go ahead, Ayush, ask people.
Harsh.
Okay.
My answer is yes. In my area, everyone makes fun of those boys who play with dolls and wear frocks because they think boys should not play with dolls and wear frocks.
Okay.
Didi, I am sending chat.
Okay, I will read it out. Let Ayush call one more person.
Sunny.
No, please. I'm just thinking about it now.
Okay, let's give Sunny some more time.
Zubair.
I don't want to. Wait. Question. One answer.
Sunny, may you please go on mute? Yeah, Zubair.
Yes, because we cannot play with dolls. We have more games and we not wear dresses.
Okay. Zubair, the question is not what you think, what people think, what other people think. But I'm guessing you're saying
In my
yes. Say?
in my also area, people make fun. A boys play with dolls.
Okay. Why? Why do you think so?
People say boys cannot play with dolls.
All right. This is people's opinion. We'll come to your opinion a little later. All right. Ayush, I will read out a few answers that have come on chat. Okay. Boys wear anything. It's their own choice. Boys played with dolls and doll cars, toys. Ms. Ba, and the question is not asking for your opinion. What do others' opinion? Okay. Make sure you're thinking. Afrin is saying yes because they think boys should not play with dolls. Mantasha, yes, Didi, someone make fun, but when person knows that if he wanted to wear frocks, so that we will do, if people understand other person choice. Okay, she's written about choice and if we should make fun or not, or how they will feel if we make fun of them. But she's also shared, yes, Preeti.
Can I say my answer?
Ayush?
Okay.
Go ahead, go
I can
ahead.
say?
Yeah.
Yes, because they think that they should have to do only girls.
Okay, thank you. Yes, because they think that dolls are only for girls. Okay, not they should only for girls. Dolls should be played only for girls. Okay, Ayush, go ahead and read the second question.
Boys are strong they should not cry. Do you think crying make someone weak or less strong? Give reason.
Explain the question to us.
Meaning boys strong हैं, boys रोते नहीं हैं. आप क्या सोचते हो कि बॉयज वीक हो जाते हैं और लेस स्ट्रांग होते हैं
क्या करने से?
रोने से?
हाँ, give reason. Okay, beautifully explained, Ayush. Ayush, I'll tell you who all are raising hand. Harsh is already shared on chat. Afreen and Preeti are raising hand, and then Harsh is also raising hand. Anyone else? Let's Ayush, you choose who you want to ask.
विकास.
Yeah, go ahead, Vikas.
Didi, my answer is no, because everyone cries doesn't mean that he is weak or anything.
Okay. Okay. Choose one more. Harsh, I think Ayush gave you a chance.
My answer is no, because in my opinion, I think we not cry when we get hit by someone. Sometimes we cry when we are sad.
All right. Okay. And do you think that makes a boy weak?
No.
All right. Beautiful answers on chat as well. You have privately chatted to me, so I'm posting it to everyone so that everyone can see. I like Sunny's answer also, because girls also cry when they get hurt. Doesn't mean they're also weak, right? Beautiful. Okay. Ayush, do you want to share your own answer? And Miss Bais has also been raising hand. I'm just telling you if you want to give her a chance.
Didi, no, the all I disagree because someone cry that not mean too less strong.
Someone cries, that does not mean they're less strong, right? Yeah. Ayush, do you want to give a chance to Misbah? She has been raising hand for a long time.
Okay. Didi, boy was crying. This is not problem.
If a boy is crying, that is not a problem. It's okay
Yes.
if they're crying, right?
Yes.
Doesn't mean that they're
Girls also have crying.
girls can cry, boys can cry, does not mean that anyone is weak. Beautiful, beautiful, everyone. Ayush, go ahead and read the third question.
I think boys should A. Wear frocks. B. Wear kurta and pant. C. Wear shorts. D. Wear what they want to do. Because
Okay, explain.
meaning boys meaning मैं सोचता हूँ कि boys क्या कर सकते हैं.
क्या पहन सकते हैं, right? And these are the 4 options, and you also have to give reason. Okay. A, B, C, D first. Let's have those answers on chat, everyone. Okay. Don't privately chat it to me, friends. Let's have the answers for everyone. All right. We've received answers from Harsh, Mantasha, Uzra, and Ayush. More, and only then we'll discuss. Ayush, this time give a chance to someone who has not spoken, okay? We've received answers from Aryan, Vikas, Alisha. Okay, I think we can go. You can go ahead and ask Ayush, 2 people, and their reason also.
Imran.
Imran.
Yes.
What is your answer and why?
D.
Okay, reason because
Because boys toys that they want where they choose their own wish.
Beautiful, because boys can choose their own wish or own clothes. Okay. Choose one more person, Ayush. Or if you want to share your own answer, you share.
Didi, my answer is D.
Okay, because
They want what they want to wear.
okay, it's their own choice. They can wear whatever they want to wear. Anybody who has a different answer than A, B, C, than D? Anybody with a different answer than D? Quickly unmute yourself and share. Anybody who has a different answer than D? I've received a lot of answers in private chat as well. Most of them are D. Nobody is saying anything else. So I'm guessing nobody has a different answer. Okay, quickly, last question. Ayush, go ahead. You are on mute, huh, Baba? Haan, go ahead.
They are not photocopies of an anther. They
What is this word?
one
One. And what is this word?
anther.
No, read properly.
Another.
Right.
They are
Hmm.
individual. Individuals.
Individuals. They are individuals. They're not photocopy of one another. They're individuals. We might not know what is the meaning of individuals, but we can read before what is written and make a guess. And by making a guess, let's think what is the meaning of the word individuals. And share. Okay, I've already started receiving on chat. Most of you are correct. Single person. Individual means single person having their own opinion, own values. Anybody with okay, Afreen says group of people. Afreen?
Yes, Didi.
Individual is the exact opposite of group of people. Individual means one single person with their own values, own thoughts, own opinion. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Now what we're going to do is I'm going to send you only this much part. Okay? Only the next part and of the story. On your own, you're going to read and answer question number 5, 6, and 7. For this, you will have only 17 minutes. All right? You're going to read from here to here and then answer question number 5, 6, 7. I'm sharing the picture of the worksheet with you on your Eagles group in 1 minute. Give me some time.
Didi,
Yes, Baba. Miss Baba.
I am writing full worksheet.
Okay. If you want to check if you want to share your answer or if you want to change any of your answer, check one time. Okay. If you don't want to change any of your answer, send it to me. I will correct it right now and give you feedback. But I want you to check your answers once again. Friends, I see nobody is raising a silent hand anymore. What is happening? Silent hands and then you'll get a chance to ask questions. We're not sharing like this. Firstly, give me some time. I want to share these questions. Check your Eagles group in the next 5 seconds. Okay. For those who have written the answers, I want you to go back and check your answers once again and make any changes if you want to use better words, write the sentence properly. Go ahead and do that. If you don't want to do it, send the pictures to me in my private message on WhatsApp right now. I will correct your paper right now and give you feedback. Okay, go ahead, check your Eagles group, everyone. I'm guessing everyone has already started doing it because I don't see anyone's face. Cool.
I don't want to make a
Changes.
make correct changes, and I send you to yesterday only.
Can you send me once again?
Okay, teacher.
Preeti has dropped out from the call, right? She has been calling me. Okay. All right, I've started receiving pictures. I am looking at Harsh's picture right now. After that, I will look at Aryan's picture. Harsh, I'm making a few corrections for spelling and I really want you to look at it, okay? I love your answers, but you make a few spelling mistakes. Yes, Afreen, anything you want to share?
No, Didi.
Okay. Yes, Zubair, only till 7 questions only.
Didi, I also did not want to connection.
Okay, send me pictures right now.
Teacher, do you send correction?
I am doing your correction right now, okay? If you have any doubt in my correction, please ask me. Okay, I've corrected your 5th and 6th question. Check.
Didi, I had sent.
I'm looking at Aryan's picture now. Harsh, tell me when you're done with those corrections, okay?
Didi, I have sent you.
Yes. Aryan, Baba, can you unmute yourself?
Yes, Didi.
You have written 3 character traits in question number 5, but you have not given reason. The question also asks for reason. Give reason. Okay.
Yes.
Please add reason.
Can you got my pictures?
Didi, have you got my picture? Yes, I have, and I'm looking at them right now. I love that Afreen, in last class you wrote the same character traits for girls, and today also you've written the same character traits for boys with same reason, and I love it. You've written everyone are different. The correct sentences, everyone is different. Make that correction right now, Afreen. Okay. I'm looking at Ayush's picture now. Ayush, can you unmute yourself, Baba? Ayush,
Yes, Didi.
you have written 3 character traits for boys, but you have not mentioned reason. I want you to mention reason as well. Okay. Write a reason and send it to me again right now before leaving the Zoom call.
Teacher,
Yes, Harsh, I'm looking.
did I do my correction?
Okay. Afreen, Harsh, you can leave the Zoom call. Afreen and Harsh, you can leave the Zoom.
my all correct?
Yes.
Bye, Didi. Bye, teacher.
Bye, Afreen and Harsh. Rest of you, we are not going before we send the pictures to Freya Didi and get it corrected. Ayush, I've already sent. We're looking at Vikas's now.
Didi.
Yes.
Send the pic.
Okay, I will check. Ayush, question number 5. You have written 3 character traits of boys, but you have not given reason. I love all of your answers, Vikas. It's so beautiful. And I love that you're working on your handwriting. You've started writing in cursive handwriting. Beautiful. I like the answers. And only some boys bully, not all boys bully. Some are also gentle and nice. Just like that, some girls also bully and some girls are gentle. Doesn't mean that girls are only, all girls are gentle or all boys are bully. Okay, Vikas, you can also leave the Zoom call. Bye-bye. I'm looking at...
Please take me. I am going to Arbi.
Correct. Sorry, I forgot. I'm looking at your picture, Misbah. Mustaqim, you also share your picture because I know you also have to go to Arbi class.
Didi, I can leave. What, Didi?
Mustaqim, send me your picture. Aryan, 1 minute. Mustaqim, send me pictures of question number 5, 6, 7 right now before you go to Arbi class. Aryan, you have sent your reason, kya? I'm looking, wait. Yes, Aryan, you can also leave the Zoom call. Misbah, I'm looking at your picture now. Beautiful. Misbah, leave the Zoom call. Bye-bye. I'm looking at Zubair's picture now.
Bye, Didi.
Bye. Zubair, you have only sent me question number 7. Send me 5 and 6.
Didi.
Yes, Mustaqim.
I write 1 to 10.
Okay, send me pictures of 5, 6, 7. Ayush, correct. Good reason. You can leave the Zoom call, Ayush. Zubair, please send me pictures of question number.
Bye, Didi.
Bye. I've got Preeti picture as well, but
I
she's
have sent the pictures.
looking at them right now. Boy. You've not written answer for question number 7, Ibrahim. To understand question number 7, do you want me to discuss it with you? Ibrahim, can you please unmute yourself? Question number 7, you have not written, Baba. Some boys are gentle, they don't pick fights and lend a helping hand to all. What does this tell you about these boys? What does this tell us about these boys? Write 2 character traits with reason. You have not written this one. Yeah, write and send me. Mustaqim, I'm looking at your picture now. Okay. You've only sent me one answer. Looking at Mantasha's picture now.
Didi, I sent.
Mustaqim, wait, huh? I'm looking at Mantasha's picture. After that, I'll look at yours and then Sunny's.
Live.
Don't leave the Zoom call, huh, Mustaqim? Yeah. Mantasha, I love your answers. I want you to make one correction. Okay? Mantasha, can you unmute yourself? Mantasha. Yeah. For the seventh answer, you have written all boys are single person. Instead of using the word single person, I want you to use the word individuals.
Yes,
Okay,
individual.
that's a better word and it'll make your sentence better. They
Yes.
have their own values, their own opinions. They're brave, heart. Okay, good. Just make that correction and after that you can leave the Zoom call, Mantasha. Bye-bye. Mustaqim,
Bye.
looking at your picture now. Mustaqim, can you unmute yourself and switch on your camera?
Yes.
For question number 6, you have written all boys shout and bully. They are not gentle. Do you agree? You have written yes because all boys are dirty.
Yes.
You are also dirty.
No.
You're not a boy. Do you
I
think
am a boy.
Do you think all boys are bullies? All boys are dirty? No, all boys shout,
Yes.
including yourself. You
Yes.
also bully?
Yes.
Have you never seen a boy who is not a bully? Every boy bullies.
Yes.
Okay, that's your opinion. I'm not going to change it. But instead of writing they're dirty, I want you to write your opinion. I want you to write, I think all boys bully and all boys shout. I've never seen a boy who is not a bully. Okay, write full sentences if you think that's your answer, if you believe that's your answer. If you write just all boys are dirty, I'm going to put a cross mark there. Okay, so write your answer with longer sentences, better sentences. Understood?
Yes.
What are you going to do now, Mustaqim?
Change.
Change. Yeah, I don't want you to change your opinion. Just make your sentences better.
Didi send it.
Sended, no, sent. Didi sent. Looking at your picture now, Ibrahim. After that, I look at Sunny's. Yeah. Ibrahim, also start using words like kind, gentle, helpful. Okay, you can leave the Zoom call, Ibrahim.
Okay.
Good and nice are words that every child uses. We have to start using better words in our life now.
Yes.
Looking at Sunny's picture now.
Didi, can I leave?
Yes, you can. Bye bye. Okay. Sunny, I'm very happy with your handwriting these days. I see you have started working on your handwriting.
Any mistakes?
Checking. Can you read your 1 minute? Huh? No, I don't want you to make any corrections. You can leave, Sunny. Bye bye.
Bye, Didi.
Looking
Didi,
at
I send.
yes, looking at Mustaqim's picture again. Yes, Uzra, I've got your picture. I'll look at your picture after Mustaqim's. All right, Mustaqim, you can also leave the Zoom call now. Bye bye. Uzra, looking at your picture now. Mustaqim, you can leave your Zoom call, huh? Okay, love how you have started increasing the length of your answers, Uzra. They're not just 1 or 2 words anymore. Uzra, I have a question for you. Can you unmute yourself and switch on your camera?
Yes, Didi.
Question number 7. Some boys are gentle. They don't pick fights and lend a helping hand to all. Sorry, they don't pick fights and lend a helping hand to all. What does this tell us about these boys? What type of person these boys are? And we have to write 2 character traits with reason. I did not understand your question. Did you understand this question?
No, Didi.
Okay, let's read it together. Some boys are gentle, meaning
दीदी कुछ बॉयज अच्छे होते हैं.
yeah, kind होते हैं. They don't pick fights, meaning
वो fight नहीं करते.
and lend a helping hand to all, meaning lend a helping hand to all, meaning
What, दीदी?
lend a helping hand to all, meaning
वो सब मदद करते हैं.
सबकी help करते हैं. What does this tell us about these boys?
Help.
What does this tell us about these boys? What is the question meaning?
वो लोग
ये पढ़ने के बाद what does this tell us about these boys?
अपन लोग ये आंसर बॉयज के बारे में क्या बोल रहे हैं?
क्या मालूम चल रहा है? You have to write 2 character traits with reason. In boy, ऐसे boys के लिए you have to write 2 character traits. ऐसे boys who are gentle, who don't pick fights, who always help others. What type of people are they? You have to write 2 traits and you also have to give reason. Understood, Uzra?
Yes, दीदी.
Okay, please change your 7th answer. I am now looking at Imran's answer. Okay. Okay. Imran, can you unmute yourself, Baba?
Yes.
I love your 6th answer. You have written, no, 6th, no. I love your 5th answer. You have written all the 3 character traits very beautifully. You have written strong, gentle, and crazy. Crazy because, can you read why crazy?
1 minute.
Yeah, take your time.
Because boys are crazy because when someone hit his friend, they also hit.
I agree. I don't want to change it. Imran, you can leave the Zoom call. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay, I am waiting for Zubair. Oh, Zubair has already sent me the picture. Zubair, Baba, can you unmute yourself? Zubair? Uzra, change that and tell me, huh? Alisha and Rehan still waiting for your answers?
Didi, I send it to you. 7.
Okay, look.
Did it finish?
Correct. Uzra, you can leave the Zoom call. Rehan, send me. Do you have the... Bye. Rehan, do you have the phone from which you can send me the picture? Rehan? Okay, I've got Alisha's and Zubair's picture also.
Hello, Didi.
1 minute, Rehan. Huh? Alisha, you can leave the Zoom call. Beautiful answers. Good job, Alisha. I'm so proud of you. High five.
Bye, Didi.
Bye, Baba. Yes, Rehan, unmute yourself. Rehan?
Yes, Didi.
You've not sent me the answers, Baba.
Didi. Didi, and my father's phone is not in home.
Okay, then wait. After Zubair's answer, you tell me the answers orally. Okay, don't leave the Zoom call. I'm looking at Zubair's answer. After Zubair leaves, I'll discuss with you. Okay. Love your 5th answer, Zubair. Some boys are gentle. They don't bully anyone. Okay. Zubair, beautifully written, Baba. And I love how neatly you write. Zubair, you can leave the Zoom call. Zubair. Ha. Rehan, unmute yourself. Rehan? Read the fifth question.
Yes, Didi. Write
Read the-
write three inside character traits of boys. Give reason.
Yeah, what is your answer?
My answer is kind because boys help everyone. Smart because boys are good in maths. Brave because I am brave.
Do you think all boys are good at math? Do you think सारे लड़के मैथ्स में बहुत अच्छे होते हैं?
Hello.
Rehan, do you think all boys are good at math?
Some people. Yes, Didi.
क्या आप कभी ऐसे लड़के से नहीं मिले who is not good at math?
Yes, Didi. No, Didi.
Okay, ठीक है.
No.
Sixth one, read. I want you to think about that answer. Huh? Smart is a good character trait, but think about the reason you are giving. What is the reason you're giving?
6. All boys shout and bully. They are not gradual.
Gentle. They're not gentle.
Do you agree? Give reason.
Meaning क्या है इस question का? What is the meaning of this question?
सब boys shout और bullying करते हैं. वो लोग glad है.
Gentle, Baba, gentle. Repeat after me, gentle.
वो लोग gentle
नहीं होते.
आप agree कर रहे हो? आप agree
करते हो क्या?
दो.
Answer?
Yes, because shouting is bad.
All boys shout and bully. Do you agree? All boys shout and bully?
No, Didi.
Then
Some people shout.
write that right now. And tell me when you are done, okay? Then we'll move to question number 7.
Can I read question number 7?
Yeah. And I want you to change question number 6 answer before you send me the picture after your father comes, okay? Yeah, read question number 7.
Some boys are little.
Gentle, Baba, repeat after me. Say gentle after me 5 times. Gentle, 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 gentle. Say again.
Gentle.
Ha. Now read.
Boys are gentle. They don't pick fights and lead a helping hand to all.
Meaning, some boys are gentle. They don't pick fights and lend a helping hand to all. What does this mean?
कुछ लड़के जेंटल होते हैं और फाइट नहीं करते हैं और हेल्प करते हैं.
सबकी हेल्प करते हैं, right? Now read the question.
What does this tell us about his boys? Write 2 character traits with reason.
Meaning?
आपको ये क्या बोल रहा है बॉयज के बारे में? लिखो 2 कैरेक्टर ट्रेट्स और उसके साथ रीजन दो.
Beautiful. Now tell me your answer.
Kind because he become helping hand.
They're becoming a helping hand to others, okay? And one more, 2 character traits.
Gentle because he don't fight.
Okay, gentle and kind are more or less similar, but the reasons you have given are 2 different reasons, so I agree. Beautiful, Rehan. Send me the pictures when your father comes back, okay? Bye, Baba.
Can I leave?
Yeah, you can. Bye, Baba.